So how CBEX, a Nigerian investment platform, scammed its investors. So
an investment platform that promised wealth but left Nigerians broken and bankrupt.
So CBEX this, CBEX there. A lot of Nigerian and global investors has lost over 843,000 US dollars to CBEX. That's about 1.9 trillion naira when converted to Nigerian naira. So today we'll be talking about this particular investment platform and all you need to know about this platform. So this platform actually made a wave in the last few months for scamming its investors. People are crying, and also I had people attempted suicide in this particular thing. Some people invested over 30,000 US dollars in this particular platform I'm talking about, and I had a man sold his entire property just to invest in this fake company that promised them 100% return of investment in 30 days, which is practically not possible for a reasonable company. That means if you invest $100, you will get $200 in return in 30 days. And also, if you invest $200, you'll be getting $400 in return in 30 days, which is not possible. So what is CBEX? CBEX is an online trading platform that claims to help you trade the digital assets you have. And what are these digital assets? Such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, and etc. and like etc. etc. So who is the owner of CBEX? The owner is unknown, which is the major red flag people ignore because of the return of investment. And for the location, it is in Ibadan or your state. And I can recall vividly that Ibadan has something similar to this in the last few years, of which platform like this claimed, or let me say scam people using Ibadan as their headquarters. So this platform called CBEX was designed to look, or let me say, they model the interface of ByBit. They copy the looks and also just like to make it legit. So how does CBEX works? People are told to deposit Tron into their wallet, and they will show you a fake balance. So immediately you deposit your Tron into your wallet, they will now show you a fake balance that will make it look real. And when it is time to pay you, they will move money from their own account to pay you, so that everything will look like like a real trading. So they use a Ponzi scheme method. They use the old users money to pay the new users money, which means what? When a new user opens an account, they will use the old users money to pay the new users. So it is just like a Ponzi scheme method. That's what they use in paying the new user. So now, what makes CBEX looks real? So real that people would fall for this particular scam. So I've listed out some particular points that makes CBEX looks real. The first one is what? The platform design, which means what? CBEX looks like a real trading website. Just like I said, it looks like ByBit. So the design makes it looks trustworthy, and also makes it make people to invest in it. CBEX only allow US dollars as deposit. So now, which means you'll be thinking that like this is a real investment platform, and also no limit to deposit, and that is why people can invest as much as they can. So number two on what makes it look real is the referral system. So which means what? Users were told to bring more people, which means if you bring this, you bring these people, you bring this particular person. That's how CBEX works. So the more you bring more people, your bonus or let me say your earning referral will goes up. Some users have to refer 12 people before they can place withdrawal. This is called multi-level marketing for those that knows how this work. So the third point is fake trading activities. So CBEX claims it uses AI to trade your money and makes money for you. Unfortunately, they will show you a fake balance. Number 4 on my list is withdrawal trick and rule. You can only take your money out in 40 to 45 days, which is of investment. So now if you withdraw early, you can only take 20%. Those guys are wise. So now in early April, all withdrawal was stopped. That's early April this year. All withdrawal was stopped. They said it was because of security problem. What was it called? So all these are called exit plan. So that is the strategy CBEX use in catching people to their trap. So make sure you know these particular tricks so that you will not fall for things like this again. So now we're going into why did CBEX crash? Yes, why did it actually crash? since they claim it is what is a legit website. So let me quickly list the points that makes CBEX to crash, because I've actually studied this particular platform and what these are my conclusions. So number one point on why the CBEX crashed is because the scam has reached its peak level and couldn't continue. This is how it works. So this is how Ponzi scheme like CBEX works. So if one person registered on the platform, which means what, you need two more people to pay this particular person. So now, which means once you pay this particular one person, we have two more people to be paid. So two more people will be what, will be paid with the money of four more people. I don't know if you are getting me. So now the four more people need eight more people, and eight people need 16 people. 16 people need 32 people. 32 people need 64 people. So that's how all these things keep on accumulating till the extent there is no what, people are not what willing to pay again, and everything got crashed. So that is the first point. So after this first point, a total of 846,000 US dollars was stolen. Withdrawal was held. The Telegram group was locked. Security was breached, but thank God we are alive. So that is called a what? A exit plan strategy. A exit plan strategy. So to CBEX, this is just the beginning of the end. So they came up with another strategy again. So they said if you have money with them, you have to do a verification. So if you have $1,000 with them, you will pay 10% to withdraw your money. So if you have $20 with them, you have to pay what, $200 to what, to withdraw that particular money. They call it final payment exit. Lol, this is so funny. So it was just a strategy to what, to steal money again and again and again, and people keep on paying. That's the most amazing thing. That's the most annoying, amazing, it's just kind of. So these are what you should know about CBEX. These are what you should know about CBEX. They are not a licensed organization with Nigerian SEC, that is Security and Exchange Commission. They are not a registered body, which means anybody can run this kind of scam for long without anybody stopping them, since they are not registered. The SEC didn't act fast to stop them because they are not registered. SEC did not actually know about them. So, but note this, until the Investment and Security Act was signed, all platforms operated freely. What do I mean now? I mean all the scam platforms operated freely until the ISA 2025 was signed by government. This scam have operated what, freely. And after this law was passed, the enforcement was actually weak. So this is the work of EFCC, and they are actually failing. So to cap all of this up, EFCC actually promised to retrieve all the money stolen from the investors. So let's see how it goes, if EFCC can actually bring back this money, or let's see how this particular game will end. So if you're watching my video for the first time, welcome to Tech for Growth with Akamu Abraham. Here we talk about skill acquisition, business growth, and financial investment. So do well to hit on the subscription button, because our next video will talk about how to know investment platforms to invest in. So make sure you click on the subscription button. So drop a comment. Did you invest in CBEX, or your family member invested in CBEX? So what are the information you actually had about CBEX? So let me know in the comment section. So see you on my next video. Bye.